Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Yacht Addiction YouTube channel. I was wrapping up all the filming I was doing at the Palm Beach International Boat Show, and I walked past this incredibly beautiful boat, and I thought I just had to tour this one before I left. This is a Antonio Yachts D42 Open. This is a shipyard based in Barcelona, Spain. Obviously the boat is 42 feet long. The beam is 13 feet and 10 inches. Has a 2-foot 3-inch draft. You have some serious performance and speed on this boat. It's incredibly fun, and obviously it's incredibly good looking. So we're gonna hop on board and do a full tour of this beautiful boat. We're gonna walk around the booth really quick. So right at the back of the boat, this does have a fixed swim platform, but you could opt for a hydraulic platform if you wish, and that could hold a small jet ski. And then the platform also has an integrated boarding ladder. So this yacht does have outboard engines, but because of the way it's set up with the platform, it's very similar to an inboard as well. You can see in here you have 3 Verado engines. These are 400 horsepower each, giving the boat a total horsepower rating of 1,200 horsepower. I'll talk about performance in a second. Let me open this up a little bit more. You can see back here you have a huge sun pad with some cup holders in the middle. And this is really cool. Underneath here, they have an extremely large storage locker. So you can fit all types of toys or cleaning equipment in here. And then the buttons for this access is right here. So if we push this, you'll see this moving up. So now we can see the engines a little bit easier. Like I said, 1,200 horsepower in total. The top speed with this engine option is around 46 knots flat out. You can cruise comfortably at 28 knots, and you'll get about 300 nautical miles of range. Then if we just push this button, this will automatically go back down, and you can stop it at whatever point you want. Also right here you have pop-up lights. And this boat has an amazing sound system. You'll see speakers littered all throughout the boat. Obviously I don't have music on right now. I'm not trying to get any copyright strikes. But while we're up here on the bow, you can see you have another beautiful sun pad, and I think the gray and orange pops incredibly well. Forward you have another bench, and then there's a little bit of storage under here. And in this locker you'll find the anchor chain and your windlass system. I also really like the Antonio cleats. They look incredibly nice. You can see these will just pop up. You can see you have a windshield in the front and a hard top overhead, but there is a glass panel, so you do get tons of natural light in here. Obviously this is a very open air boat. You can see this shade over this area, and then your dining area. And this is completely convertible. So as you can see, it's in a U-shaped seating area right now. You have 2 tables, and these benches can be moved, so then you combine them together and you have 2 benches facing each other. Consistent with the theme, you have more speakers down there. And then your catering, you can see you have a fridge, an ice maker, a sink, and a cooktop. Because this boat isn't very big, there are a lot of crowds around, so I'm trying to move through this so other clients can see the boat. But you have 4 lift bolster seats, and then you can see your dual SIM-rad screens, your compass, the throttle control, your radio, the trim tab control, and the Fusion stereo system. You can also hook up the stereo system to your phone so you can control the audio from your mobile device. Now this yacht does have some accommodation. If we step down in here, you actually get a surprising amount of space. You have another cooktop, your sink, and an electrical panel. Forward, you do have an official cabin with some storage. And you have almost full standing headroom. I'd say the ceiling is right around 5'9", so I'm 1'2", maybe 2 inches too tall. But obviously you can crawl forward onto the bed, and you have a closet over here. There is a head right here, and it's actually finished extremely nicely. And then if you move all the way back here, you'll see this really cool salon area. Now you could sleep a couple more people in here if you wanted to. You have the windows that flank along the sides, although you can't fully stand up in this area. You do have a TV up on the wall. So, very impressed with the interior space. Obviously this is a boat made to be enjoyed out on the water in the sun. In here you could store a couple of fenders on each side if you wanted to.
I have a build sheet here, we can kind of go through it.
And these tables can be lowered, and you can add another cushion right on top of those tables, creating another sun pad. So I know this was a quick one, but thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you thought of this yacht down in the comment section, and I'll link this boat's website down in the description if you want to learn more about the brand. Thank you so much. Have a great day.